What happens to mangroves when coastal areas are developed? Imagine a vibrant, bustling shoreline filled with twisting roots and lush green trees. Now picture that same area cleared away for buildings, farms, or roads. When coastal zones are developed, mangrove forests often face serious harm. These forests are special because their roots grow underwater, creating a safe space for many sea animals. Fish, crabs, sea turtles, and even dolphins depend on mangroves for shelter and breeding. When people build homes or industries on these areas, they usually cut down the mangroves to make space. This means losing the homes and nurseries for many young marine creatures. Without mangroves, juvenile fish and crustaceans have nowhere safe to grow. Their populations drop, and this affects the whole food chain, including larger predators and fish we catch for food. Development also breaks the natural links between different coastal habitats. Mangroves act like corridors connecting seagrass beds, coral reefs, and the open ocean. When mangroves are removed, these connections are lost. Marine animals can become isolated, which reduces the variety of species in the area. Another big problem is sediment. Mangroves trap soil and debris, keeping the shoreline stable. When they are gone, more sediment washes into the water. This makes the water cloudy and can smother coral reefs and seagrass beds, which need sunlight to survive. The loss of clear water harms these ecosystems and the creatures that live there. Mangroves also help protect coastlines from storms by absorbing wave energy. Without them, coastlines become more vulnerable to erosion and flooding. This can destroy habitats for many sea animals and cause more damage during storms. On a larger scale, mangroves store large amounts of carbon in their roots and soil. When they are cut down, this stored carbon is released into the air, adding to climate change. Rising sea levels and warmer ocean temperatures then threaten marine life even more. So, when coastal areas are developed and mangroves are destroyed, it leads to habitat loss, fewer species, disrupted food webs, and more damage from storms. Marine animals that depend on mangroves for food, shelter, and breeding suffer greatly. Protecting and restoring these forests is key to keeping our ocean ecosystems healthy and full of life.